In this video, I invite you to clean with me as I do my daily switch and swipe in my guest bathroom. And then I'm going to create a bathroom vignette. So if you want to check that out, keep watching. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. Now this video is actually part of a collaboration hosted by Miss V. And what she asked us to do was to create a fall bathroom vignette. And the details are really quite simple. We just needed a tray so that it is portable and a candle. The rest was up to us. If we wanted to put fall decor in there, we could, or we could just refresh it, tweak it, and just update it just a little bit. I do a daily swish and swipe in all three of my bathrooms, and the one that we're going to see today is the guest bathroom. It is the bathroom that's on my first floor. It's the one that people walk past when they come into the house. It's the one that all the guests use. So that's the one I'm going to do my daily swish and swipe in there. And I'm also going to switch out all of my little makeup trays that I had on the top of the commode and try to create a vignette in that bathroom. I have a very small space, so I never really tried to decorate it very much, but I'm going to do that today, so come along with me as we take care of that. So this bathroom definitely could use a little refresh for fall. This is my guest bathroom, or I should say it's the main bathroom in the downstairs, so it's right off the hallway when one comes into the house and heads toward the kitchen. It's very small. I keep my makeup there. As you can see, it's at 6s and 7s. And this counter over here is just very small. So the first thing I need to do is get it cleaned up. And then I'll switch it out. I'm using Aunt Fanny's Microcosmic Probiotic Powered Multi-Surface Cleaner in the Soft Mint scent. And I wouldn't say this was a soft mint scent. This is a pretty strong mint scent, but it is not unpleasant. And I tell you what, my husband chews a lot of gum. And he always chews mint, spearmint and double mint and different things like that. So this soft mint scent actually makes me think of him. But this cleaned up pretty good. So I'm getting my swish and swipe done. And I always move from cleanest to dirtiest. So I start with the mirror, which is cleanest, move to the sink, and then over to the toilet, which is the dirtiest. And I will usually do this morning swish and swipe right after I've done my morning yoga. So that's why I'm in workout clothes. I haven't brought you along with me for a morning swish and swipe in quite a while. also need to empty that trash. Things on the floor. Who knew? Let me just clean around the bottom of this toilet bowl. Now I'm going to flush the toilet. So now here's the swish of my swish and swipe. And I flushed the toilet just in case I got any chemicals in there. I could have used the multi-surface cleaner to clean the toilet, but once a week I like to put a little Clorox in there. Then the rest of the week I use whatever multi-surface cleaner I'm using to clean the bathroom. Today it's Clorox. So I'll let that sanitizer just sit in the toilet for a little bit. Now I'll wash my hands, then I'll bring in some fresh towels, and then I'll see what kind of a bathroom vignette I can create for right there. Now let's take care of that. I normally just have makeup and a bunch of stuff sitting on the back of that commode, but I thought since we're coming up on the holiday season and we're going to be having a lot more company, that I probably should camouflage my makeup just a little bit. So I've got this mirrored tray that I used to have in another bathroom, and it fits right back here on the back of the commode. It's nice and narrow. And I've got this lavender plant that I've used in other places. I've got this little purely pumpkin scent. It's a highly fragrant reed infuser, and it smells so good, a very strong pumpkin scent. So I'm going to put that over there, and I did have it sitting over here on the counter, but I'm going to move it and put it over there along with this. And I don't know why I leave price tags on things for so long, because I bought this lavender a long time ago. So this particular part of the video is actually part of a collaboration hosted by Miss V, and what she wants us to do was to create a bathroom vignette. And usually my bathroom vignette is a bunch of makeup that's kind of scattered all over the back of the counter, or they're on the back of the commode, but this time I'm going to make something just a little bit more appealing. And I love this lavender plant, first of all, because it coordinates with the lavender that I've got going on in this bathroom. So I thought I would bring that in here. And right now the lavender plants are just so beautiful outside. They're tall and lovely. Also got some midnight blue salvia that's growing out front, that's tall and purpley like this, which the hummingbirds really love. So this will remind me of that. And I like this, and it's time for me to invert this, because I've had this out for a little while, but I thought I'd put it out again. And this reed infuser was regularly $11.99, but I picked it up at a 75% off sale last fall, or at the end of last fall. So you just flip the reeds over, and it causes the scent of the pumpkin to waft up, and it just smells so wonderful. Purely pumpkin is what it's called. And they probably have these at Hobby Lobby again this year. And then the other thing that, well, here are the details for the collaboration. I forgot to tell you that. We needed to have it on a tray so that it could be portable, and we needed to have a candle. So here's my candle. And I wanted this purple because it goes with this, and I just love the rustic look of this particular item. And then I like the little burlap thread that's tied around here, and it collaborates, well, it complements that. This candle I'm going to put on the side because it's gold and it kind of picks up some of the gold here, but it's a little too gold, so I didn't want you to see a lot of it. And then I've got this little pumpkin that I picked up at Menards for $3.99. So I'm going to put that there. So now when my guests come into the bathroom, instead of seeing all my makeup scattered here, they see this nice little vignette. And I'm even going to switch out my soap. I have the Mrs. Meyer rainwater scent hand soap and hand lotion in here purely because the blue matches the blue in here. But I'm going to switch it out to a lavender hand soap right now. So let me grab that. My sister gave me this for my birthday a couple of years ago, and I've only got about that much lavender hand soap left in it. So here we go for my bathroom vignette. I'm really liking the way that's looking. And I think something needs to go here. And I already have a little hook there. So I did find this plaque right here. And it just says, start each day with a grateful heart. And I thought it would be perfect right there. And I was right. So I'm going to put this there. And I really didn't want to put a lot of fall decor in here because I just don't often decorate in this bathroom. So, this is something that can be here year-round. Because, of course, we should always start each day with a grateful heart. So there we start each day with a grateful heart. And then we just follow the eye down to our bathroom vignette. And we've got all of the pieces that we need to have right there. The tray and the candle. And I've got this little basket of shells. And I'm going to let them sit here on the counter. I know you guys may be thinking coastal, but my son brought me these from Savannah, Georgia. He's living there right now while he's working on a movie. And he brought these to me. And when the kids bring me things, I like to show them how I'm using them. So I'm going to just let those sit right there. So I've got the trash emptied, the floor swept. Now I need to organize these makeup things. So I'll do that and I'll let you see what it looks like. I thought I would go through these things and pick out the things that I use almost every day and then put them maybe in this in here and put the other things upstairs with the rest of my makeup. So let's do that. So now this bathroom is done. I've got fresh towels put out. You can see my little sign, start each day with a grateful heart. And you can see my bathroom vignette. And you can see my neatened up makeup stand. Now let me take this opportunity to thank Miss V for hosting this collaboration. This collaboration is part of her annual bathroom vignette challenge, and what she asked us to do was to create a bathroom vignette, to switch it out, to refresh our bathrooms. And the only rules were that we had to have a tray, and a candle. Other than that, it was up to us. And I normally don't like to decorate in that bathroom because it's so small and the wallpaper border that I have is so colorful. I don't like to bring a lot of other color in there, but I was able to sort it out to come up with a nice little refresh, and I am very pleased that I did. So I want to thank V for giving me the push that I needed to take care of that, because really I should have done that a long time ago and I just didn't. So V, thank you for giving me the inspiration that I needed to clean up some of my mess and just kind of streamline things just a little bit. If you're not familiar with Miss V, I will link her channel below so that you can check her out. And I will also link the playlist for the challenge as well so that you can see what the other creators have done to create bathroom vignettes in their homes. And if you like this video, do come along and take a look at my fall decor unboxing, or look at my fall kitchen vignette, or my fall farmhouse kitchen decor. I've done quite a few fall decor videos and I think you will enjoy them. And if you're looking at fall, you're probably also thinking about Thanksgiving. So I invite you to take a look at my Thanksgiving one-on-one playlist, where I teach you how to roast a turkey, how to make collard greens, how to make my famous cornbread stuffing and mac and cheese, and more. Definitely things that you'll want to have on your Thanksgiving table. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.